Do you dream of earning money online but fear the risk of investing your hard-earned money upfront? What if I told you that you could dive into the world of affiliate marketing with absolutely no money down? That's right, no hidden fees, no small print, just a proven strategy to get you up and running and start making money with affiliate marketing. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you step by step how you can start affiliate marketing with $0. It's a simple 6-step process that anybody can do. This works for any niche, this works for any product, any service. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Step number 1 is simply to find a product or service to promote. Now there's 2 ways of going about it. 1, you can actually look at different products that you've recently purchased. 2, you can actually create content about something that you are interested in. For example, if we take a look at my screen here, I'm at Amazon.com. This is where most people buy most of their stuff. Now, if we look at the recent purchases, 1, I purchased this cordless electric scissors, so for cutting cardboard, and I actually purchased a portable SD card. Now, what we can do is we can take a look and see if people are interested in that thing. So really, you can see here the top result, 72,000 views, only 364 subscribers. So that tells me that there's some interest there. If we look at this portable SSD memory card, you can see once again, 11,000 views, 97,000 subscribers. So there is some interest there. 10,000 views, 514 subscribers. So step number 1 is simply to identify a product or service. Another thing that we can do is we can jump over to a service that you might be interested in. For example, I am interested in something like Kajabi, which is a website or a service that you can use to help you create online courses and community. As you can see here, this is Kajabi's back office. For the purposes of this video, we are going to jump into the world of Kajabi. So step 1, real simple, real easy, identify a product or service. It works easier if you have purchased or enrolled in that product or service before, but you don't necessarily have to get started. Step number 2 is to go out and apply to these affiliate programs. Now, what you're going to want to do if you want to apply for Amazon is simply type in Amazon affiliate program. So for our example, we're going to apply to Kajabi. So I'm just going to type in Kajabi affiliate program and I am going to apply. Some of these affiliate programs will require a kind of like a business plan. They want to know how you're going to promote the product. Simply tell them what your plan is. Tell them that you are going to do keyword research. You're going to find out the problems that this target audience has, and you're going to create content to help solve the problem. These companies like Kajabi and Amazon only want to work with affiliates that are going to help further their brand, and they want to know that you have a plan. One of the questions I get all the time is, Alston, I'm rejected. I got rejected because I don't have any followers or subscribers. Still create the content anyway, because ultimately you're going to need to create the content to prove to Kajabi or any affiliate program that you've got high quality information to provide, and you're going to have to create the content in order to start earning affiliate commission. Now, don't worry if you are rejected early on. You're not going to be missing out on thousands of dollars in the very beginning. You're probably going to be missing out maybe $10, $15 every once in a while. So if you're rejected, so what? A, there are 5,000 different affiliate programs out there. B, you still need to create the content anyway. So create the content and move forward as if you were accepted. But that is simply step number 2. Step number 3 is to figure out where the customers are hanging out. And to do that, you're going to do a few different things. You can do keyword research on Google, on YouTube, on TikTok, because ultimately you want to create content where you feel comfortable creating content, and you want to create content where your target audience is already hanging out. So again, if we're using Kajabi, for example, we want to maybe go to Google and type in Kajabi like this, and then hit the space bar and see if people are asking questions. Now, because we're doing this for free, we're not using any keyword research tools. We can either go through the alphabet soup method by typing in each letter of the alphabet like this and writing down everything that pops up. This is what we are going to use to help us create content going forward, and this is going to tell us exactly the types of things that people are searching for. A few days ago, I showed you that there was a free keyword research tool that I actually recommend. It's on Ahrefs, so I'm going to type in Ahrefs. So I'm just going to paste in Kajabi right here in this free keyword research tool and click find keywords. Now, what we also can do too is we can also use a website called answerthepublic.com to help us find even more keywords. So once again, I'm just going to paste in the keyword Kajabi Kajabi, and I'm going to let this free tool do all the work. If we jump back over to Ahrefs, again, this is the free version, you can see that people are searching Kajabi pricing 2,000 times per month. That has a keyword difficulty of 2, so that could potentially be a good keyword to write and rank for. We can also go over to Google and we can type in Kajabi like this, and once again, you can see that there are a bunch of questions that people are asking. Kajabi versus ClickFunnels, Kajabi versus Thinkific. You can see that some of these results are getting thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views, which lets us know that this could be a great place to get started. Okay, so you want to find a place to create content, because that's how we're going to attract the viewers that are ultimately going to get us affiliate commissions. We're going to create content in different places. So for this video, we see that we can either create content with a blog, or we could start a YouTube channel, or we could do both. After we have identified our target audience, we are simply just going to collect a list of 30 or 40 words. Now again, the best way to do this is the alphabet soup method, because we see exactly what people are typing in. And as you can see, I just left Kajabi, and people are asking about email marketing, Kajabi versus Teachable, Kajabi versus Thinkific. Now, if I want to create content about Kajabi, I want to think about all of the questions or potential questions my target audience is asking. Now, before we continue on, I want to create content here at the Kajabi level where people are asking about the individual product, because this is what I like to call the bottom of the funnel. The people that are searching about Kajabi, they know the product, they know the problem, and they know the solution. They just want to make sure that Kajabi can do everything for them that they want to do. And ultimately, if they're typing in Kajabi versus, they are trying to decide between Kajabi and Teachable, Kajabi and ClickFunnels, and Kajabi and Kartra. And so these people have a very firm understanding of what they want and what they need, and they just want to make sure that the product that we're creating content around is actually going to help them out. So if you are just getting started, do not create content about how to do email marketing. Do not create content about how to launch an online course. Do not create content there. That's going to be too competitive. However, if you create content about Kajabi versus Squarespace, that is a very targeted group of people that are asking a very targeted question. They want to know the benefits of using Kajabi versus Squarespace. And so that's why I recommend that everybody just getting started create content at that level. All right, so if we continue on, we're going to do keyword research, and we're just going to make a collection of 30, 40, 50 keywords. Don't worry, I'm not going to require you to create content on all 30, 40, or 50 keywords. After we have got a list of our keywords, we're simply just going to make content. Now, when I make content, I try and think of who, what, when, where, why, and how. I know it's elementary, I know it's basic, but most people are looking for those basic questions and answers to make sure that the product or service that they're interested in will solve their needs. If we're thinking about Kajabi versus Squarespace, I'm going to take 10 or 15 minutes and just do a little brainstorming session, asking myself questions: who, what, when, where, why, and how, with regard to Kajabi versus Squarespace. I might say, what is Kajabi? What is Squarespace? What's Kajabi good at? What's Kajabi not good at? When should I use Kajabi? When should I use Squarespace? Ask yourself those questions, because that's what your target audience wants to know. Make sure you include a call to action in every one of your videos. The call to action can be: get started with a free trial of Kajabi today. Click the link in the description to learn more. It can be all sorts of things. And then the final step is simply to rinse and repeat. Come up with a schedule where you feel comfortable creating content consistently and persistently, and you can be successful with affiliate marketing without spending a dime. Ultimately, what I recommend that you do though is reinvest in your business. Once you start getting affiliate commissions, invest in maybe new lighting, new camera, or even a writer, so that you aren't doing all the writing yourself. So this process is really simple. You can get started with affiliate marketing today without spending a dime. Now that you know how you can get started, watch this video next, because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.